I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, wygo stands for when you get old. Alright, look what I was lucky enough to get my hands on. Yep, a Trendmood box. So these suckers will sell out quickly if they're really good. I don't know if this is really good or not. So how this works is you sign up for their emails. They'll send you an email and say, hey, we have a new volume of our Trendmood box. They'll also share all of the products that come in the box. And why you haven't seen me unbox this on my channel for a while is because the last 3 or 4 boxes have been a little, not, weren't super exciting. Now this box is a complete mystery to me because I was at work. I got the notification on my phone. They showed the price in this little baby picture and I couldn't see anything on my phone other than I think there may be a mini natashadenona palette. That's what sold me. First of all, it was only $40. And then I think there's a natashadenona palette. I have no idea what else is in here. For all I know, it's a bunch of hair care and I'm going to hate the box. But let's dive in and see if I'm going to be super excited or be like, well, that was $40. But, at least with what I hope is a natashadenona mini palette that I don't already own, fingers crossed, I'm definitely going to at least get my $40 back. All right, let's open her up. Oh, okay, I forget. It's always packaged really nicely. There's a little sticker and some beautiful purple tissue paper. I also found it interesting that it was a flat $40. No tax on top of that and no shipping. So it was literally 40 bucks. All right, I am seeing a lot of products in here for $40. Let's first start with confirming I was correct. There is a mini natashadenona product. What do we have here? So this is a Valentine's exclusive. Wait, is this an older box? Is that why it was still available? Because I always miss out. Okay, I will do some research and then flip up on screen. I have a feeling this might have been a resale of an older box. I don't know. But we have a cute little eyeshadow palette. They are in shades I will definitely use. But just the mere fact that it says Valentine's Day and it's June, yeah. But this little kit also comes with a teeny tiny little eye brush. That is adorable. Probably not the best quality. Oh, but what's a bummer is there's nowhere to store it in the palette. So it's kind of like, well, if you're going to take it on the go, I'll just bring my own brushes. All right, enough rambling. First product, can't complain. What is this next product? Looks like Jello. What's that, a Jello mold? What do we have here? Jelly Lip Melt. Oh, it's from TONYMOLY. Ooh, and it's in watermelon. I love when lip products are fruit scented over like vanilla. Oh, look how adorable. It is shaped like a Jello mold from like the 70s. That is adorable packaging. All right, let's see if I can figure out how to take the lid off. Is it safety sealed? Wait, don't make me read something. Oh, I think it's taped. No, not taped. You don't pull, you twist. Okay. Blonde Moment. It smells so good. If you like the scent of like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, this is it. All right, I'm already wearing like 2 lip products. So it just, yeah. But I will put this aside for an upcoming Get Ready With Me. All right, next product. What is this? JVN. So this is the Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. Oh, my little friend here. Brilliant Hair is here. Oh, I'm glad I read that. I thought it was going to be some kind of like a glowy primer. All right, so we have a hair care product. As suspected when I don't first look at what we're getting. But that's okay. If there's only one, I can deal with that. It says apply to dry hair. It's a silky, silicone-free oil that instantly adds incredible gloss without adding weight. All right, next product. What do we have here? I'll show it to you guys first. Then I'll try to read the handwriting here. Shake, shake. Ooh, I'm excited. It's SPF 50 Mineral Milk from Vacation. I was just watching, who is it? Oh, Alexandria Ryan. She was unboxing a box from FabFitFun, and she got a perfume called Vacation from a brand called Vacation, and it smelled like sunscreen. I'm assuming this is the same brand. What a cute little package. It's a little small. It's flat and thin. Oh, okay, so you don't have to unscrew anything. You just lift up, squirt out. Now the question is this the kind you can put on your face, or is this meant for the body? It doesn't say, but I'm going to assume the size. It's meant for your face. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried this before. All right, next item. We have another little tiny box, also from TONYMOLY. Shut the front door. It's another one of these, but it's in a different flavor. No, no, no. I love Blackberry. I've never seen a makeup product scented like Blackberry. Blackberry milkshake? Heck yeah, but a Blackberry lip mask or lip balm? Let me know if you have ever seen a lip product that was Blackberry scented. It's not very Blackberry looking. It's a little more brown, but let's smell her and see if it truly is Blackberry. Seriously, what I'm picking up on is the scent of rose, which, okay, the watermelon one, yay, that one, super cute packaging. All right, next product, we have something from e.l.f. This here is the bronzing drops. Ooh, okay. I'm wondering if this is supposed to be kind of the dupe for the Drunk Elephant bronzing drops. And I want to say that Glow Recipe also has some bronzing drops. All right, I am super excited to give this product a try. Believe it or not, there are like 4 more products in this box. All right, what do we have here? This is a Fine Mister reusable component from the brand Mystery. Soft Services? Wait, I'm confused. Okay, so I'm assuming there's another product that this goes with. Yes, literally just the top part. All right. Next product that I'm going to assume goes with that. This here is so hard to read the gold on the orange. There we go. That's how the box goes. And this is from Soft Services. Okay, so that is the name of the brand. That's a weird name. I keep wanting to say Soft Serve Ice Cream. So this is a clearing mist, Medicated Breakout Tonic. But this goes with this. Interesting why they would send them separately instead of just, okay. Moving on. It's extra cardboard for recycling or the landfill. All right, what is this? This here is a VITAMASQUES Snooze Hydrogel patch. Snooze. Oh, you put it, oh. Okay, so you get 4 patches, and apparently you put it on your wrist to help you fall asleep. Okay, I have no problems falling asleep. My head hits the pillow. I may like think about something for 2 minutes, and then all of a sudden I'm out. So, all right. And now, I know this is a crazy midweek filming video. If you know, you know. So the last product is whatever this guy is. Are you going to be a mascara or lip? All right, so this is the Pick Me Up Volume and Length Mascara. Okay, but I am excited about those little lip balms. Why can't this come out? What brand is this, by the way? Did I say? Oh, M Cosmetics. Okay, why do brands do that? Like the biggest writing is like Pick Me Up, and then nowhere on this box, or at least in any font size I can see, but on here, the actual tube, this is from M Cosmetics. So I'm going to just stick that back in the box. I'll add it to my big pile of mascaras that will go in future giveaways. All right, what else we got? 2 little cards. Oh, this just talks about the patches and something from, apparently you can get 20% off of NatashaDenona. I'm certain this will work for anyone. It's code TREND20, so if you want to pick something up from her website, give it a try. All right, so probably lesson learned to check the email, even though you're at work on your phone and you got a text message, not an email. But I'm not disappointed. I hope I got my $40 worth. I'm excited to give these e.l.f. Bronze Drops a try. These lip jellies from TONYMOLY are super adorable. I'm in love with the watermelon, so yay to these products. I really love getting sunscreen in boxes, so I'm excited to give this one a try. What an adorable little mini palette from NATASHA plus a brush. The hair oil, the Snooze patch, the mascara, and the acne spray. No, thank you. They're just not for me. I'm not saying they're bad products. Just, I don't suffer from acne. I have short hair. I only wear waterproof mascara, and I have no problem sleeping. That's all I'm saying. But if those products intrigued you, this would be a really good box. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think of this box? Are you as crazy as I am just to randomly click on your phone, pay now, and it just, I have, what's it, the Google Pay? I don't know. You just literally click and it does everything. It stores my credit card information, has my address and all that stuff. It's dangerous. But I was like, $40, click, click. So let me know if you think on the products that I will use and enjoy, if you think I got my $40 worth. Of course, I'm going to list the MSRP value of everything. And when I'm editing, I will be either pleasantly surprised or be like kicking myself in the head. But either way, it's already done. And now I have even more products to go into giveaways. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.